Feel a bit warm. Yeah. Hello, Blossom.
Hi.
My mouse is missing. Okay, welcome back everyone. It's on another nice Sunday morning. So far the Sunday mornings have been pretty nice. Okay, unlike some other days, there were some other days, usually weekday mornings are pretty okay, I guess. Right, Sunday morning is especially nice. So we have one more question from the previous one that we haven't finished. A couple more, I think. Yeah, starting from here. Question 13. Okay, this is the previous paper. So what we're doing now is the revision for previous revision. Revision means we do everything that you have learned. Okay, HCF, LCM, algebra, and all this stuff. Okay, we are still on the paper one, right? So this is from BT Secondary School Mid-Year Exam.
I finished my W2.
Oh, what's your W2? Hopefully some good news. Don't know. What? I don't know yet. Okay, never mind. It's okay, right? Sec 1, no stress, okay? Sec 3 also no stress. Sec 2 then stress. Okay, last time, no? Or every day also stress? Are you stressed every day? Why? Why so stressed every day? Why? Don't know. But there must be a reason. Are you stressed, Celeste? Maybe, yeah. Okay, Blossom, are you stressed every day?
No.
No, yeah, see, no stress. Someone relax, Alright, don't worry, just I mean learn and go along, right? Don't worry. Ask people, if you don't understand how to do. It's fine, you have plenty of time to learn all this stuff. Okay. So let's take a look at this question 13a. So I express 60 and 72 as a product of its prime factors. Let's just do a recap. What do we need to do? We need to change it to the we need to do prime factorization. That means you must change it to the index notation form. Okay, what do you mean by index notation? I'll just do A for you, right? To kickstart. Because you might have forgotten this, right? So 60, in the working, usually we do this method. We do like 60 and like that, huh? Right, so you divide by 2, you get 30. Then you divide by 2 again, you get 15. You divide by 3, 5, divide by 5, you get 1. So 60 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Then we write here 60 equals to 2 squared times 3 times 5. So of course you can use your calculator. You don't have to write out everything like that, right? So I mean usually what I do is I just use a calculator, press, or the number comes out, right? What I mean by the number comes out, so I just take 72 divided by 2 equals to 36. Then 36 divided by 2, 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So there's 2 cubed, 3 of them. 3 times, I divide by 2 3 times. Then 9 is basically 3 squared. Okay, so I can come out with this thing very quickly without having to do the HTV or the prime factorization method. So I get these two index notations. Okay, and that is the answer for it. It's called the product of the prime factors. All right, do you remember B? Can you try B? How to find LCM? How to find LCM? What do you need to do? You want to find LCM? You want to find the lowest common multiple. What do you do? Samuel.
For me,
Yeah.
I just put all the multiple there.
What do you mean you put all the multiple there? Find the lowest common multiple. What's the method? It's a very simple method. Once you have the index notation.
Use calculator.
Huh? No. Well, using calculator will work if it's a small number like this, but if it becomes a huge number, you're in trouble, right? How about Celeste? Let's ask Celeste. Celeste looks very sharp today, right? Yes. How do you find the LCM? Because David not here already, I can't ask him anymore. Usually he will shout the answer, but he's still here for science, right? He can't come on Sunday mornings anymore. Yes, Celeste. Maybe I'll ask him to come online, right? See whether he can come online. How to find LCM? Oh no! See, all right. So this is what will happen if you don't revise. Huh?
Is the answer 360?
I don't know, but I want to know the method. What's the method? Blossom, your turn. How to find the LCM?
The still cube, then
The what? Sorry.
like when you compare for like,
Compare what?
and then after that if the number is bigger, then you find.
Correct. You got the keyword, okay? You don't find the lowest common multiple, you choose the highest power. It's always reverse. Choose the highest, the one with the highest power. All right, what do you mean by the highest power? So you compare, you see these 2 square and 2 cube. Which one got higher power? Of course, cube, right? 2 cube. Okay, 3 and 3 square, which one higher power? Yeah, let's take 3 square. And then after that, this 5 and then here don't have. So who is more powerful? First 5. Okay, so you take your calculator, multiply everything out. So 2 cube is 8, 8 times 9 is 72, 72 times 5 is 360. Okay, LCM 360. Okay, so this is the method, the index notation method. So let's can you remember? Can you recall? We did this a long time ago, right? Okay, next one, part C. So part C, write down the smallest positive integer m such that 60m is a perfect square. So for 60m to be a perfect square, they have to be the power has to be even number. So, but right now our 60 is not even number, right? What do I mean by not even number? See, this 2 square, okay, this is even number, so it's fine. This is 3 to the power 1, so it's not even number, so cannot. And this is 5 to the power 1, okay, also not even, so cannot. So our m is actually 3 times 5. How come 3 times 5? Because if I add another 3, this becomes 2, and then I add another 5, this becomes 2. So it becomes an even number because they want a perfect square. Okay, so hence my m equals to 15. Therefore, m equals to 15. Okay, m equals 15. Right, now I guarantee you this will come out. Has it come already? Your WA? This time? No, has it come out in your WA? Don't know. Okay, I guarantee come out. Right, I will bet 1 box of ice cream. I'm serious. Guarantee come out, right? I'm talking about this type, okay? This one. Sure, come on. The 60m is a perfect square or perfect cube. Okay. Guarantee you should come on. Because I've seen so many papers, right? It comes out all the time. So I'm not always correct. I just want to say it, right? So I did the same thing with one of our P6 students. I bet then everyone wants ice cream on something, right? Then never come out. Then I was like, what? Then you buy. I bought 50 pieces of ice cream. Never come out. Oh, what never come out? No. Final year, mid-year, okay? If you have a final year or you have a mid-year, sure, come on this time. Yeah. So I have standby 50 ice cream in my fridge to fulfill my bet. I'm not kidding, right? They ate. So far they ate like 30 ice cream already. All the little P6 people. Right. Okay. So I guarantee you this one come out. Okay, I bet one ice cream. I don't want one box. One ice cream. Okay, one ice cream. Okay, if y'all lose, y'all don't need to give me. But if I lose, I give you ice cream. All right. So for Blossom, how we're gonna do? I don't know. I can't send ice cream to you. Okay. So okay. So please learn how to do. That's all I want to say. You know, when you see this thing on the exam paper, you'll be like, oh, Mr. Teng say bet on one ice cream. Okay. So wait, do you understand what I'm doing here? The green color part. Do you understand? Yes, Sammy understands. Celeste, do you understand what's going on? And the Blossom, do you understand what's going on?
Yeah.
Okay, confirm come on, I tell you, right? D is another one, you see. Find the smallest positive integer n for which 72 over n is a perfect cube. So now we want perfect cube. Okay, so what's a perfect cube? So perfect cube would be all power 3. Square means 2, 2, right? But then now they want cube. Cube means 3, power of 3. Okay, so we look at 72. What is our 72? Use red color. So 72 is this 2 cube times 3 squared. So this is fine, you know, it's already a cube. This is not fine, it's square, but there's a problem. They say divide. Divide means remove, right? Here m times means add. So we cannot add, we need to remove. So what's our n? Okay, to make this guy a perfect cube, we need to throw away this 3 squared. Right, so n equals 3 squared. Okay, throw away this one. So we get this. So n to 3 squared equals to 9. Understand? Because they say divide. You see this one says divide. So they're asking you, what do I need to throw away so that it becomes a perfect cube? I need to throw away this because it says divide. Throw away. Here they ask, what do I need to add to make it a perfect square? Right? So add means I add a 3, add a 5. So it becomes a perfect square. See that? Okay, this one no ice cream, right? Not many schools know how to do this, but this one is green color one. Yes, one ice cream. This year or final year, you show me your paper. Say, then Mr. Teng don't have. Okay, I'll give you one ice cream. Sure. Okay, that's how confident I am, right? This type of stuff will come on, right? I'm talking about this particular type, okay, where they either add an m or divide n, I'm not too sure. But adding is, what can I say? Comes out every time. Okay. So please learn how to do. Okay. Next one. Are we okay? All right. Sunday morning. Let's go. All right. Now this is the area. Okay. This is a algebra, but problem sum. Problem sum algebra. Now since I already warm up your brains with this, Simon is warm up already. He said he's ready to go. Now you do 14 yourself, okay? You do 14 yourself. Pause recording. So the numbers ABC are given below. Give your answers in index notation. Find the highest common factor. So HCF of A and B. Okay, to find HCF, what we do is we find the lowest power. All right, so which one is the lowest power? 2 squared times 3, 4 times 5 squared. Okay, so that will be the answer. Okay, for part A. Part B, the lowest common multiple. So to find the lowest common multiple, you choose the highest power. Right? So highest power between A and C, we have a 2 squared, and then we have a 3 to the power 7. Okay, and 5 squared, and we have a 7 here. Okay, next, find the square root of B. So the square root of B is just splitting this into 2 groups, right? So these are even numbers, 4, 6, 2. Square root B is simply half of everything. So instead of 2 squared, 2, 4, it becomes 2 squared. Then 3, 6 becomes 3 cubed. And 5 squared becomes 5. That's it. Okay, just split everything into half. That's all. So we're done with this. Next one. It takes 30 hours to travel from Singapore to Rio de Janeiro. It's the BT. Oh, BT secondary school, right? BT departs. Find out if he is in time to watch the soccer game. So on the 12th of July, 1700, he flies to Rio de Janeiro. So what time will he reach there? Singapore time. So let's just find Singapore time. So Singapore time, he's going to take 1 day and 6 hours. That means he'll reach Singapore time 13 July. 1700 plus 6 is 2300. Wait, 24. Sorry, he'll reach on the, yeah, correct. So he will reach on the 30th of July, 2300 hours, but this is Singapore time, right? So you need to revert back to Brazil time. So 13 July 2300 is minus 11, right? So it's 13 July minus 11 is 1200 hours in Brazil time. So the time the World Cup is on the 1600 on 13 July. So answer is yes. Okay, he will be on time. Okay, now Samuel, do you get this? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Do you get this? Celeste? Yes, he'll be on time. Okay. So the next one. Oh, so this is easy, right? Okay, now your turn to try. Okay, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So this time is it's also using our algebra to solve question. So express the sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. Now since the smallest is x, okay, I'm gonna use space. Since the smallest is x, the second number must be x plus 2. And the next number has to be x plus 4. Okay, why? Because they need to be odd numbers, so you need to keep adding 2. So express the sum. Sum means you add them together. Add together, so we plus and we plus. Right, so what do we get? 1, 2, 3, 3x plus 6. So the first answer is just 3x plus 6. Second one, find the largest number if the sum is 3, 2, 1. So we have 3x plus 6 equals to 321. So I need to remove 6 first. So 3x equals to 315. And x equals to 105. That's it. Okay, any question for this one? This is fairly not so straightforward, right? Do you get 105? How is it 106? 105. 105.
Because I got 3x plus 3.
It cannot be 6 because it's an odd number. What? 3x plus 3? How do you get plus 3? Oh, I know. Okay, so your problem is you have to plus 2 and plus 4 because they want odd number. So you have to keep adding 2. They don't want consecutive number. Okay, but not too bad, right? You know, you get the idea, so that's pretty good. Okay, Samuel, you understand how to do?
Yeah.
Got it, right? Blossom, do you understand how to do? Yeah. Okay, great. Next one, moving on. All right. Okay, so this is slightly more difficult. Okay, express 5/18 as a recurring decimal, and find the fraction that's exactly halfway between 4/5 and 4/6. Let's try this. Is it really easy, Sarah?
Okay.
Okay. So you're gonna do well for your someone. Why? Why? Because you cannot put on your phone. Why?
Everything I also don't know how.
But you do very fast, right? The BT, this BT seems to be easy for you. Okay, let's take a look here, right? So the salary of a car salesman with A includes a fixed money amount and additional 650 for every car that he sells. All right, so there's another guy, right? He is in company B. He does not have a fixed component and is paid 875 for every car. Okay, so one has a fixed amount, then the other one is just depends on how many cars you sell. So both of them sell N cars. Expressed in terms of N, the monthly salary of the guy with company A. So his monthly salary will be 1250 plus 650 times N. Then you put a bracket and a dollar sign. Okay. Then the guy from company B is simply 875 with an N, and of course a dollar sign. So if both of them sold 6 cars, which company's salary package is more attractive? So what you want to do is you substitute the 6 into here, right? And then you just find the value. So 1250 plus 650 times 6. Okay, versus 875 times of 6. So which one is better? 875 times 6. Wow, this guy earns 5,250. And the other guy earns 650 times 6 plus 150. So here he earns 5,150. Okay, so company B. Company B has got a more attractive package, yeah, if they can sell more cars. Okay, angle I haven't gone through, so I'm going to skip this. So we move on to this time. HCF LCM. Last question for today. Question number 8. Okay, can you all proceed to do this now? Let's ask Blossom. Bell ring question, right? 6A, sorry, 8A. Is it a HCF or LCM?
LCM.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so this is LCM. Then this, you see, greatest number. So this is HCF. This one you find the HCF. This one you find the LCM. Those common multiple. Okay, so how do I know this HCF? I just look at this, right? Greatest number. So should be HCF, highest common factor. Okay, here, why is it LCM? Because they are multiples of 30 minutes, 35 minutes. You know, the timing is multiple. Later on, how many minutes later, how many minutes later, all multiple of 30 and 35. So how to find LCM, right? We first have to do the index notation. So for 30 equals to 2 times 3 times 5. 35 equals to 5 times 7. Okay, so if I want to find the LCM, to find LCM, I take the highest power. Right, so LCM equals to 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. Okay, according to the index notation method, so we get 30 times 7 is 210 minutes. So 210 minutes later, how many hours later is that? This is 3 divided by 60, right? 3 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so it's 3 hours and 30 minutes later. So from 7:30, 3 hours, 30 minutes later will be 11 a.m. Do you get 11 a.m.? Yeah, very good. Next one. It's fine. Just use the LCM method. Okay, next one. So Amy wants to connect 56, 72, 104. Alright, so same thing, just find HCF. Right, so index notation again. 56 equals to 4. Is this 4? 56 can do 4. Yep. 8. So it's 2 cubed times 7. Then after that 72 equals to 2 cubed times 3 squared. And then 104 equals to 2 cubed times 13. Alright, so choose HCF. Right, how to choose HCF? Choose the lowest power. Right, lowest power. Let's see. So HCF equals to the lowest power is 2. Oh, they're all 2 cubed. So 2 cubed and 3. Wait. So there's 3, but there's no 3 here. There's no 3 here. There's 7, no 7, 13. All right. So that's all. 2 cubed. Got it? It's just 2 cubed. So which is equals to 8. So the greatest number of fruit bags that can be packed is 8. You can only pack 8. Okay. So the number of cherries in each bag. So 104 divided by 8. 104 divided by 8. 13. So 13 cherries in each bag. And we're done for today. Okay, let me see the rest. Oh, the rest are important. You see, the rest are all algebra already. So 9, 10, and this one we're going to do next week. Okay. All right. So that's all for today. We're going to have a great weekend. Right? It's great weather. What are you going to do, Samuel? Later? Play game? Do work. Sweep the floor. Homework. How about Celeste? What are you going to do? Revision. Wow. Okay. How about Blossom? What are you going to do?
After this, I have Chinese tuition.
Oh yeah, Chinese tuition. Okay. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to find out how to climb Mount Kinabalu. Okay. I think I want to go again. Look how nice this is, right? Then I will share on my Instagram. All right. Ooh, look at that. I want to be this guy. Yay. Okay, that's all. Bye bye. See you. Bye. Bye.